Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best baby makeup kit is probably one of the most exciting and fun toys you can get for your little girl. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of safe and adorable makeup kits designed specifically for kids. We'll explore what makes a great kit, the different types available, and most importantly, how to ensure the products are safe for your child's delicate skin. Get ready to discover the perfect kit to spark creativity and joy. Number 5. Kids Unicorn Makeup Kit for Girls. This makeup kit is made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, perfect for kids' skin. Parents can trust this kit because of its gentle ingredients. It meets all U.S. toy and cosmetic safety standards. Each color applies lightly for a pretty look without being too grown-up. It's easy to clean and completely washable with water. There's no need for special removers, so she can play without worry. Looking for a gift that brings smiles? This unicorn makeup kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. Get ready for excitement when you give this to your special little one. This set has everything she needs to explore and create the perfect look. It encourages creative pretend play, allowing her imagination to grow as she experiments with her own style. This unique pink unicorn bag and makeup kit will bring a smile to any young girl. With beautiful glitter details and colors kids adore, it's an enchanting set that's sure to delight. What we like? This kit is made with safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring your child's safety while they play. The colors are designed to go on lightly and are easily washable, so you don't have to worry about stains. If you are looking for a gift that will bring joy and excitement to a young girl, this unicorn makeup kit is the perfect choice. What people say. The makeup is easy to apply and washes off easily. The kit includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss. The makeup kit is designed specifically for young children. Number 4. Litti Pritti Toddler Makeup Kit. This 11-piece set includes everything your little one needs for imaginative play. It comes with a compact mirror, blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, nail polish, lip gloss, glitter pot, brushes, and a cosmetic bag. Made from safe materials, this makeup set is designed for fun without the mess. It's perfect for at-home or on-the-go role play, letting them explore their creativity. Size just right for toddlers aged 3 to 5, this set encourages creative expression. It gives them a grown-up feel without any of the risks. The cute zip bag keeps everything organized and easy to carry. It's ideal for travel, sleepovers, or simply keeping their toys tidy. This makeup kit is a great gift for birthdays or milestones. It inspires dress-up games and self-expression, keeping your child entertained with realistic pretend tools. What we like? This set includes a variety of makeup items and is made from safe materials, perfect for imaginative play without the mess. It comes with a stylish bag to keep everything organized. If your toddler loves to play pretend and you want a convenient and safe way for them to do so, this kit is ideal. What people say. This set is absolutely adorable for little ones. It feels very high quality and is just about as realistic as you can get for pretend makeup. The lipsticks are telescoping, the nail polish and lip gloss have screw-on lids with brush wands attached, the bag feels premium and the glitter pot has real glitter texture that stays in place. Perfect gift. Very good quality pretend makeup. It looks just like the real thing, and I absolutely love the colors. No mess, perfect for moms and kids. Looks like it will stand the test of time with little ones. Although the price may seem slightly high compared to other similar products available, I really think this is worth the money. Firstly, the makeup bag is strong and sturdy and the zipper look robust. All the product are made great. The brushes aren't cheap ones where the bristles fall out. The makeup itself looks so real I had to open it all up and touch everything. My 4-year-old daughter loves this, saves her pinching my makeup when I'm using it, and the best bit is absolutely no mess. Win-win. Number 3. Beverly Hills Pretend Makeup Toy Set. This makeup kit includes everything your princess needs to glam up. It has blush, lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow palettes, applicators, a mirror, and a stylish makeup bag. This set is perfect for any little girl who loves to play dress up. This is the best activity for playdates or birthday parties. Girls will have so much fun pretending with this cute makeup set. The colors and design make it even more enticing for kids to play with. Play all day and stay clean. This pretend makeup kit is the perfect solution for toddlers who love to be just like mom. They can enjoy the fun without any mess. You don't need to worry about harmful chemicals. The makeup set is completely fake and made of foam and plastic. You can be calm knowing your child is not applying any toxic ingredients to their faces. It also won't leave any stains. Every princess will love this cute makeup set. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion. Your little girl is bound to love this set. What we like. This pretend makeup kit is designed for fun without the mess, using foam and plastic materials. It's a great way for little girls to play and feel like they are using real makeup. If you want a safe and clean way for your child to enjoy makeup playdates or parties, this set is perfect. What people say. The makeup is easy to apply and washes off easily. The kit includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss. The makeup kit is designed specifically for children. Number 2. Ideahome Kids Washable Makeup Set. This is a real, small makeup set designed specifically for kids. It's perfect for little girls who want to explore the world of makeup in a safe and fun way. The size is just right for little hands. The makeup is soft and gentle on the skin. It's also completely washable with soap and water, making it easy to clean up. Parents can rest easy knowing it's safe for their children. This kit includes 25 pieces, from lipsticks and eyeshadows to brushes and a cute carrying case. It has everything your little girl needs to create her own looks. This set will satisfy their curiosity. The small but functional case allows your little girl to organize her makeup toys. It's also convenient to carry, so she can play with it anywhere. She can take it with her when traveling or to parties. Every little girl dreams of having her own makeup kit. This set fulfills that dream, allowing them to dress up like their moms. It's a perfect gift for any little princess. Buy this makeup kit as a gift and teach your sweet princess how to make up. It's an ideal present for Children's Day, birthdays, Halloween, or Christmas. It's suitable for girls aged 3 to 12. What we like. This makeup kit is designed specifically for kids and is small in size, making it perfect for little hands. The makeup is safe, washable, and includes a variety of items to satisfy a child's curiosity. If you have a little girl who loves makeup and you want a safe and convenient kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The makeup is easy to apply and washes off easily. The kit includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss. The makeup is designed specifically for children and is non-toxic. Number 1. Heaning Kids Washable Makeup Kit. This is a real makeup set designed just for kids. It's packed with everything she needs to explore her creativity. It's a great way for her to have fun and express herself. Inside, you'll find a variety of colors for eyes, cheeks, and lips. The set includes lipsticks, eyeshadow, blush, and more. Everything is made with safe, water-soluble materials. This makeup is designed to be gentle on her skin and easy to wash off with soap and water. She can enjoy hours of pretend play without any worries. It's perfect for little princesses aged 3 to 12. The kit comes with a cute makeup case that's just like a professional one. She can organize all her makeup and take it with her wherever she goes. It's a great way to keep everything tidy. This makeup kit is a wonderful gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It encourages creativity and imagination. Give her the gift of fun and let her shine. What we like. This real makeup kit is designed for kids and is made of safe, washable materials. It includes a wide variety of colors and tools, perfect for a child's first makeup set. If you are looking for a gift that will encourage creativity and imagination, this makeup kit is an excellent option. What people say. The makeup is easy to apply and washes off easily with soap and water. The kit includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, lip gloss, and applicators. It is a great gift for young girls who enjoy playing with makeup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.